Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a bank account on Crypto. Calm. First, open your Crypto. Calm app and tap on Fiat Wallet. Then, select the currency you wish to use, such as USD or EUR. You'll then choose the bank transfer option to link your account. This process ensures you can easily deposit and withdraw funds, making your crypto journey smoother and more accessible. It's a straightforward way to manage your finances within the app. To link your bank account, you'll see specific bank details provided within the app. These include an account number and routing number unique to your crypto. Calm Fiat Wallet. Use these details to set up a transfer from your external bank account. It's crucial that the name on your bank account exactly matches the name registered on your crypto. Calm Profile to avoid any delays or issues with your deposits. Once your bank details are set up, you can make your first deposit. Go to your external bank's online portal or app and initiate a transfer using the crypto. Calm Fiat Wallet details. Always double-check the account number and routing number to ensure accuracy. Most transfers are processed within 1 to 3 business days, so your funds should appear in your crypto. Calm Fiat Wallet shortly after. Before making large transfers, ensure your crypto. Calm account is fully verified to avoid any transaction limits. Also, be mindful of any minimum deposit amounts that might apply to your chosen currency. If you encounter any issues during the setup or deposit process, don't hesitate to reach out to Crypto. Calm's customer support. They are there to help you navigate any challenges and ensure a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.